The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. While you're scrolling Instagram, artificial intelligence is quietly replacing jobs, yes, even yours. But here's the twist. The same tech that's taking jobs is also creating a new breed of digital millionaires. If you're between 18 and 30 and you want to escape the rat race, now is your window. Because in 2025, AI isn't just helping people work smarter, it's helping them never need a job again. So in this video, I'm giving you the top 5 AI side hustles that you can start today, even if you're broke, jobless, or still in college. And yes, some of these can fully replace your income. Stick around till the end, because hustle number 5 is so underrated, it's literally hiding in plain sight. Oh, and don't worry. You won't need to learn Python or become a prompt guru who sleeps in Notion dashboards. Here's the harsh truth. AI is automating away the repetitive, low-paying tasks, the same ones that many people rely on. But for those who pivot early, AI becomes your leverage. Like having a team of 10 employees working for free, 24/7. The fear? Becoming obsolete. The hope? Becoming untouchable financially, if you make your move now. First up, AI-powered branding. Imagine this. You help a business design their logo, tagline, and social media content, all within a day. Thanks to tools like Loka, Designs AI, and ChatGPT-4, you don't need to be a designer or copywriter, you just need to package it well. Small businesses in India and the US are desperate for good branding, but they can't afford big agencies. You come in as the affordable AI-powered freelancer, and charge $200 to $500 per client. You'll spend more time deciding what pizza to order than creating a brand kit with these tools. And branding is just the appetizer. What if I told you AI could help you write entire books in hours? Let me introduce you to your new ghostwriter, ChatGPT. With the right prompts, you can produce a 10,000-word ebook in a weekend, and sell it forever on Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, or even your own AI-powered site. You're not just making money, you're building intellectual property. Your name becomes searchable. Your content becomes passive income. You can write self-help books for Gen Z, AI guides for freelancers, or niche knowledge like how to study for government exams with AI. Imagine telling your mom, I wrote a book this weekend, and her saying, Beta, how? But if books aren't your thing, what about making $500 a month from your voice, without even speaking? Faceless content is exploding. From YouTube automation channels to TikTok storytelling pages, everyone needs voiceovers. Enter 11 Labs and AI. They clone your voice or use hyper-realistic AI voices that sound better than most humans. You can sell voiceovers on Fiverr, start your own YouTube Shorts channel, or license your voice to ad creators. This is perfect for students or night owls. $25 per script. 4 scripts per night. That's $3,000 per month. No webcam? No confidence? No problem. Your voice could be your paycheck. But wait, what if you could build a full business around AI and sell it for thousands later? This one is powerful. With tools like Software, Bubble, and AI builders, you can create mini SaaS apps, even if you don't know how to code. You could build AI resume generators, chatbot landing pages for local businesses, or auto-summarizing tools for students. AI plus no-code means you become a digital landlord. Build once. Host it. Charge $10 a month. Get 100 users. That's $1,000 a month passively. Netflix and chill is cool, but what if you Netflix while your app earns money? Still with me? Good. Because this final hustle is the most powerful and most slept on. Finance content is one of the highest paying niches online. And now, AI tools like Jasper, Claude, and Perplexity let you create financial breakdowns, compounding charts, and investment explainers in minutes. You can start a finance YouTube channel, sell finance Instagram carousel packs, or create digital courses with AI-generated insights. This hustle builds authority, audience, and assets. In 6 to 12 months, this can become your entire business model. While your friends are memeing on Instagram, you're building a financial empire with a robot assistant. There you have it, 5 AI side hustles that not only survived 2025, but thrive in it. You don't need degrees. You don't need funding. You just need discipline, tools, and time. Imagine waking up at 10 a.m., checking your Stripe, seeing $942 in passive income. Now imagine that becoming normal. That's not just a dream, that's what AI makes possible. But wait. You can make money, or you can make money that grows while you sleep. If you want to turn that side hustle cash into true wealth, you need to understand the power of compounding. Click the video on screen now to unlock the secret weapon of the rich.
Subscribe for more. Stack smart. Build bold. This is your year. Start now.